In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a mask transition in After Effects. For this, I have two car footage clips. The second one, where I'll demonstrate the transition, shows a car tire with a nice rim. First, we trim our second clip, the one where we'll apply the mask, to the length we actually need, so we don't have to track the entire scene. Then, we drag the Mocha effect onto our video. After that, we open Mocha, and in this case, we'll use the circular mask to mask out the rim. Next, we refine the mask, and then we track it inside Mocha. Once the tracking is done, we click Save in the top left. Back in After Effects, under Mocha, we go to Matte and click Apply Matte. Now we duplicate our clip. On the upper clip, we go back to Matte and check Invert Mask. At this point, we've got the rim masked out, and everything outside the rim is masked separately, as you can see. We then place the mask video on top of the other clip. At the beginning, we add a keyframe for position and a keyframe for rotation.
I'm your fantasy. La la la, fantastic.
We adjust them so the rim rolls in from the outside. Then we animate it, in this case, the rim rolling into place. Once everything is set, including the timing, don't forget to use Easy Ease on the keyframes to make it smoother. Before we pre-compose, we also activate motion blur for both masked clips. Then we pre-compose the two masked videos, making sure to move all attributes into the new composition, exactly as shown here, and click OK. Now, press S for scale. Zoom in completely, go forward a few seconds, and reset the scale to its original value. Again, apply Easy Ease to make the keyframe smoother and adjust the timing. Finally, open the speed graph and fine-tune it for an even smoother motion. That's basically it. For more videos like this, follow, like the content, and comment which effects or tutorials you'd like to see next. See you in the next one.